Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the mysterious world of bats. Often shrouded in darkness and misunderstood, these creatures of the night are far more fascinating than many of us realize. From their unique adaptations to their vital role in our ecosystems, bats hold a special place in the animal kingdom. Prepare to journey with us as we uncover 10 weird and wonderful facts about these nocturnal neighbors of ours. Get ready to be amazed by their incredible abilities, debunk common myths, and gain a newfound appreciation for these often overlooked creatures of the night. Bats, as you may know, are unique in the animal kingdom. They are the only mammals capable of true, sustained flight. But their wings are not like those of birds. Instead, they've evolved a remarkable adaptation. Their wings are essentially modified hands. Thin, flexible skin stretches over their elongated fingers, forming a living membrane. This delicate yet strong structure allows for incredible maneuverability, surpassing even the agility of birds in flight. When we think of bats, we picture them soaring through the air, but some species have another trick up their sleeve, or rather, their feet. Certain bats you see are also surprisingly adept on the ground. They've developed the ability to run, and not just clumsily. These bats can scuttle along the forest floor with surprising speed, their movements reminiscent of a spider. This adaptation allows them to chase down prey in the undergrowth, making them even more formidable hunters. Living life on the wing, particularly in warmer climates, presents a challenge for regulating body temperature. But bats, once again, have evolved a clever solution. Their wings, those marvels of adaptation, are not just for flight. The thin membranes that allow them to soar also serve as a natural cooling system. Heat readily escapes through the surface of their wings, helping them maintain a comfortable body temperature even in the most tropical environments. Now, let's talk about appetite. Bats, despite their often small size, have a voracious hunger, particularly for insects. Consider the common brown bat, a familiar sight in many parts of the world. This tiny creature, weighing no more than a few ounces, can consume an astonishing number of mosquitoes in a single hour. Imagine, just one bat can devour up to 1,200 mosquitoes in a single feeding frenzy. This makes them invaluable allies in the fight against these pesky insects, far more effective and environmentally friendly than any pesticide. Prepare to be amazed, for not all bats are creatures of the shadows. Some species, in their size and grandeur, defy our expectations. Take, for instance, the flying fox. With a wingspan that can reach an impressive 6 feet, these bats are truly giants of the night sky. But fear not, for these gentle giants are far from the blood-sucking monsters of myth. Their diet consists primarily of fruit, and they play a vital role in seed dispersal, ensuring the health of our forests. Many associate bats with darkness, and rightfully so. They are creatures of the night, often emerging from their roosts as the sun begins to set. But how do they navigate this world of darkness? The answer lies in an extraordinary sense: echolocation. Bats emit high-frequency sounds undetectable to our ears that bounce off objects in their surroundings. These returning echoes create a detailed sonic map, allowing them to see in total darkness with remarkable precision. The animal kingdom is full of creatures with varying lifespans. Some live for mere months, while others endure for decades. Bats, it turns out, are among the longest living mammals relative to their size. Some species can live for an astonishing 40 years or more, surpassing the lifespan of many larger mammals, even dogs. Scientists are particularly interested in bats' longevity, studying their DNA for clues about aging and disease resistance. These flying mammals may hold the key to unlocking secrets of a longer, healthier life. The animal kingdom is full of skilled builders, from birds weaving intricate nests to beavers constructing dams. But did you know that some bats are architects as well? Deep within the rainforests, certain species of bats create their own unique shelters. These resourceful creatures use large leaves to construct temporary tents, providing them with protection from the elements and predators. The Honduran white bat, for example, with its charming white fur, is a master of this leafy architecture. Their tents, carefully crafted from large leaves, showcase the ingenuity and adaptability of these remarkable creatures. The social lives of animals are often complex and surprising. Bats, often portrayed as solitary creatures, are no exception. Vampire bats, in particular, exhibit a fascinating social behavior: food sharing. These bats, known for their blood-based diet, have developed a remarkable system of cooperation. If a bat is unsuccessful in finding a meal, it can rely on its roost mates for sustenance. The bats will regurgitate blood, sharing it with their hungry companions. This behavior strengthens social bonds and ensures the survival of the colony. From the depths of the rainforest to the darkness of caves, bats have captivated our imagination for centuries, but their influence extends far beyond folklore and myth. These incredible creatures, with their unique adaptations and remarkable abilities, have also inspired technological advancements. Engineers and scientists study bat wings to improve aircraft design, seeking to mimic their aerodynamic efficiency. Their echolocation abilities are being researched for applications in robotics and navigation systems, aiming to create devices that can see in the dark. From their incredible flying abilities to their surprising social lives, bats are truly remarkable creatures. They are vital members of our ecosystems, playing crucial roles in pollination, insect control, and seed dispersal. Which of these bat facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you love weird animal facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing videos. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world. And remember, there's always something new to discover, even in the darkest corners of the planet.